Hi everyone. As part of today's session, I will cover functions in Python. Okay. So functions are set of block of code which will be which will be reused whenever programmers need. Okay. So functions will be defined using def keyword. So if it starts with def means Python will understand the user programmer is creating a function. After def you have to provide function name. Okay, so any name you can provide, and one open and close brace parenthesis you have to enter, and give semicolon. So inside this you have to give four space or tab, and now you can write a block of code. So after giving four spaces means you are writing code inside function, because Python follows indentation, so you have to give four spaces and write the code, then only you are writing code inside function. Okay, so I will just print you are inside function or something, some print statement, so that just to verify code inside function is executed. Okay, yeah. So if I save this and if I run, and let's see what output I will get. Okay, I haven't got any output, I haven't got any error also, but I did not get this output, you are inside function, because this function will execute only when we call the function. Okay, you are just defining, and with just defining function, it will not, code inside function will not execute. So programmer have to call, then only it will be executed. So you have to call the function, so you have to call the function outside of this function. So, okay, so how to call, you have just have to type function name, that's it, and closing and opening and closing parenthesis. This is how you can call the function. Now let me re-execute. Now control came inside, after calling at line number 4 I am calling the function, and control came inside function, and I got the output as you are inside function. Okay, this is how we declare the function, and we call the function. Okay, so functions will also take parameters. Parameters are not mandatory, but you can, if programmers requires, programmers can provide any parameters, any number of parameters to function. Okay, as per programmer's requirement he can provide any number of parameters. So let me provide the parameters. Okay, so let me create one more function. I df function with param. Okay, and it takes, let it take one parameter. I'm creating function with one parameter. Okay, and I'm just print parameter is I will just print the parameter, that's it. Let me save this, and again you have to call this function, right? So let me call, let me comment out this. I will not call first function, second function I will call, that is this one. So this line of code will not execute, whatever I highlighted, this one will not execute, because I'm not calling this, I'm calling this function. So this block will execute, and I will get output like parameter is whatever parameter I pass. um, so I will pass parameter as, you can pass a integer or boolean string, anything you can pass. um, Let me pass integer. Okay, let me pass 10 and save, and let me rerun this. Yeah, so I got output like parameter is 10. So this line of code is executed, and whatever parameter I passed while calling the function, right, same is initialized to a, and I got, that's why I got 10 in the output. Okay, so you can define function with parameter or without parameter. Okay, so and also you can default this parameter also. Okay, so equal to 25. Okay, so if none of the parameters are provided, then by default a will be assigned with 25. If you so this is how you can default it. Okay, if any parameter is passed, respective parameter will be assigned to a, but if parameter is not passed, then a will be initialized with 25. Okay, this is how we can default the parameter also. So now if I am not providing any parameter here while calling, then 25 will be assigned. So, and I will get output like parameter is 25. Okay, so let me rerun. Parameter is 25 because I have not passed any parameter. But let me call same function with parameter by passing parameter. Here again I will pass 5 value. So now default will be overridden with 5. So I now I will get the parameter is 5. Okay, for this, for second call, for first call I will get parameter is 25. For second I will get parameter is 5. Okay, so let me save and rerun. Okay, so when this one is called, parameter is not passed, 25 is initialized, and I got output like parameter is 25. And second call I am passing parameters, so it is not defaulting a to 25. It is default, it is initialized with whatever programmer passed. So that's why I got for second call, right, I got parameter is 5. This is how you can default the parameter also, even the so in that case it will take default value. If parameter is passed, it will take parameter passed value. Yeah, that's it about functions in Python. Thank you all. Bye.